Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deborah, and on this channel we have my travel vlogs, talk about property investment, and also have some property renovation work. So guys, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and for those of you that are subscribed, thank you so much. And today's video is going to be about an overview of the house renovation works, and this is part 2 guys. So if you haven't watched part 1, make sure you go and watch part 1 now, and this is part 2, which basically gives you an overview on the works downstairs, so the kitchen and the lounge. And yeah, so the furniture, all the bedroom furniture that was downstairs in the lounge was taken upstairs, and all the living room furniture was placed in the garage. So the lounge was emptied all out, then was stripped out, you know, all the wallpaper was stripped out, and then the electrician came in, added some electrical points, and then we started the plastering work. Guys, wow, wallpaper off. Still need to take the TV down, but yeah, we need to protect the fireplace as well, so we'll do that. Guys, they have stripped the lounge, and then I've sealed this door. So this was an entry point into the kitchen, so this door has been sealed, and they're just gonna start plastering it tomorrow. We've covered up the fireplace, so. And then the electrician's also done a lot of chasing. So we've got a socket here, socket there. Also got another socket here. We've got a socket here. And we got a socket here as well, guys. I can't wait. Can't wait for it to be finished. Guys, we have almost plastered the lounge, as you can see. Got the spotlights, plastering almost done. We've got Mr. Plasterer on stilts. This is pure talent, guys, on stilts. Plastering on stilts. But we there, almost there. Guys, so we've only just got this tiny bit of plastering to dry up. I don't know why it's taking ages to dry. But this is what you call good plastering, when it dries up and it's this shade. Can you see the difference? So that is when it's still wet, and that is what you need to get to. Right, guys, so then went into the kitchen, stripped it all out. So the cupboards, the flooring, everything was stripped out, guys. Guys, they've started breaking up the floor. This section has been broken out, guys. Wires. And everything, so yeah, they're gonna just break this section out today. Guys, the whole kitchen has been ripped out now. These are the doors for upstairs, by the way. Yeah, these are some old pipes, so we're just gonna plaster it up until here, then that's the water meter. But yeah, new kitchen coming. My kitchen designed by Howdens. So guys, make sure that before installing the kitchen you have designed your kitchen. So you have companies like B&Q, Wix, Wren, Howdens, Homebase, and they do design kitchens. So I actually went to B&Q, checked out some kitchen designs. Here are some few kitchen designs I checked out. I was looking to go for this. It's called the Good Home Alpino Tall Wall Door. So this is what I was looking to go for. Ideally I wanted something like that, but it's just too dark. and they don't have any lighter grey than this, so looks like it's going to be this one.
I'll tell you why it's not going to let me.
It's not going to allow you to...
Because I've got it as a corner unit. I'll tell you what, if we do...
If you push that further in...
I've just realised why it might not let us. If we do this instead...
Okay, put the cabinets. Okay, right. Yeah, so now we got the right hand, yes.
Yeah.
That looks a lot better. Right. But it's still coming out though.
So we can either...
The sink. So guys, there were 3 entry points into the kitchen. So one from the garden, one from the dining room, and one from the main hallway. So I decided to close the door, which is from the dining room, because there were 3 entry points, and for the size of the kitchen, 3 entry points was just too much. So when I boarded it up, plastered it all up, and then that allowed me to create like a breakfast bar inside the kitchen, which allowed more space in the kitchen and also allowed more space in the lounge. So guys, I'm going to just stick in pictures for you to just see the design with the door and without the door. So yes guys, as you can see, the kitchen looks a lot more better without the door, so I opted for without the door and looks much better. So that was that, guys. Yeah, so stripped it all out, electrician comes in, puts it, all the electrical wires, all that sort of stuff inside, and then come back in, and then they plastered the whole kitchen. So yeah, that took about 5 to 7 days to dry. The kitchen plastering has been done. Oh, my camera's not going to focus. So we've got cabinets going alongside here, and then we've got another set of cabinets going alongside here. The fridge is going to go in that corner there. We've got a nice breakfast bar. Can't wait. Spotlights, electricals have been done. This corner irritates me, guys, but it is what it is. So this is the gas meter, and we had to leave the gas meter here. We had to leave the gas meter here because, yeah, disconnecting the gas pipe and all that sort of stuff is just another set of headache, and would delay the works by God knows how long. So yeah. Can't wait for it to be finished, guys. Guys, the kitchen has arrived. Oh, look at this, it's like the granite work. This is, guys, this is the backboard. Ooh, shit, if you can see it. But the kitchen is here, I'm excited. Woo! So once the plastering had dried in both, you know, the lounge and the kitchen, then went in with the paint. So guys, I just opted for the plain white. It was a vinyl matte white paint I opted for because yeah, that was recommended by my builder. So yeah, we just painted it all white, and then carpenter came in and then constructed the kitchen. He actually did really well. He finished doing the kitchen in 2 days. Like, hats off to my carpenter. Shout out to you, Arthur, well done. Yeah, he did really well with it. Yeah, then the kitchen was done. Electrician came back in to sort of, you know, put all the appliances in, turn it on, you know, fit the fridge and all that sort of stuff. And the kitchen was done. All was left was cleaning to do. So there's a lot of cleaning, just as normal, you know, in a full house refurbishment. You have to have a very deep clean from the dust and all that sort of stuff. So the kitchen was done. I had marble porcelain tiles as well for the flooring of the kitchen. And then for the flooring of the hallway and the lounge, I opted for a laminate herringbone flooring. So this one is the natural oak. And then you've got this one is the light almond oak. And then that one is the golden brown.
So exactly the same with that. The thing is with herringbones, they're so popular.
They're popular now, isn't it?
They just sell straight out as soon as they come back in stock.
So the
You can put a pre-order on any of these, but yeah, obviously neither of them have a date on.
So have you got in stock this one, the herringbone elegant oak? Yeah. These two are thicker. These ones are smaller boards. What colour do you like? Laminating floor. So this is the herringbone flooring, guys. There's so much waste with this flooring. So if you're going to do it the herringbone pattern, make sure you account for waste. So in this room it was about 25 square meters, but then I ordered 32 for the lounge and the hallway, but it seems like 32 is just gonna just about fit the lounge. So yeah, so 25, always make sure you get about what, an extra 7 square meters, 7 to 10 square meters to account for waste. Yeah, so, and that was it, guys. So yeah, that's all of the works in a summary. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. So guys, if you still haven't watched part 1, make sure you watch part 1, because this is part 2, so there's no part 2 without part 1, if that makes sense. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I honestly do appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, guys, make sure you subscribe. Click subscribe and also click the notification button to ensure that you guys are kept in the loop when the final house tour comes out, guys. Yeah, I should be releasing that soon. I'll try my best. It's just a lot of work to do, but for you guys I will try my best. But yeah, guys, and if you have any renovation works, you know, any house refurbishment works, please do contact deronmuproperties@gmail.com. Also follow us on deronmuproperties on Instagram. Check out our, you know, before and after pictures. And yes, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. So bye for now. Take care. Bye. Ciao.